Hi, this is Arvind Kumar from Beautiful Mind IS, and I have with me Joseph K. Matthew. So he will tell you he has scored 311 marks in psychology, which is pretty good marks. And I will ask some questions that how he managed to score that mark. So, Joseph. So many people think that it is very difficult to score good marks in psychology. So over the years, several students, including you, have changed the definition. No, it is possible. So first of all, you tell me that how much marks you got in psychology? 311.
311.
In paper one
160
and paper two
151.
Okay. So for paper one, can you tell categorically to our viewers that what did you do? Frankly,
Yes, sir.
because you are with me and with Beautiful Mind, so don't be like that I am telling about this institute. Just
No,
tell
sir.
me that what did you do that?
For paper one, mainly I focus on textbook and I
Textbook
approach.
Okay.
And
Second,
is conceptual clarity by reading and rereading
so
this
you
textbook.
read the textbook
again and again.
to
Because,
clarify your concepts.
We cannot get all the ideas with only one reading.
Hmm.
Go for rereading, relearning, then clarifying our doubts with our teacher,
Hmm.
especially from Sir.
Hmm.
And I focus only two books, Baran and Cicerelli.
For paper one.
For paper
Did you make note of research studies from that textbook and all?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Some
Some
small,
research.
some
Some
small.
research. And then,
But I don't more focus on this statistics because I study statistics some parts, but mainly focus on overall syllabus.
okay. In paper two, in paper one, sorry. Many people comes here and they used to ask that from where I should do research studies,
Yes.
where do statistics. So how did you manage that thing?
Because the thing is that only those chapters is related to research and statistics, and the other 12 chapters are there.
Yeah. So you focus more on those.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I got it.
Uh,
So major
बट
premium
मैंने
was.
किया है रिसर्च और स्टैट्स भी किया है लेकिन उसमें ज़्यादा डीप नहीं गया.
So, so when you followed the test series,
Yes, sir.
that provided you answer writing practice.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And under that you came across many
And-
research
and,
related questions.
Yes, sir.
So you answered very well.
Yes,
so how
sir.
could you say that you
And the
didn't do
thing is
that?
that in our Beautiful Mind AS Institute, the test series and the main thing is after that is the discussion part. That's very useful.
Useful.
And sir is not providing any printed material, but the discussion is up to 3 hours, 4 hours
Okay.
for single paper. That is very useful.
That is very useful. So generally it is said that for paper 2,
Yes, sir.
you do not have material.
Yes.
So आपने कैसे किया? How did you manage?
पेपर 2 के लिए मेरे पास तो मटेरियल नहीं था.
हाँ.
मैंने
Then you
ऐसे
relied
किया-
upon the discussion.
Discussion part is there.
Okay. Then?
I got many concerns from discussion and how to analyze the social issues and other issues, especially application part, especially education psychology, like issue of disabled children or social issues like poverty, unemployment, then violence,
Terrorism.
casteism, and how to relate these with theories of in paper one there is concepts is there, conceptual clarity. Then I also got inputs from general studies.
पेपर 1 पेपर 2 के लिए बराबर टाइम लगता है या पेपर 2 के लिए ज्यादा लगा या कम लगा क्या?
नहीं मैं तो पेपर वन के लिए ज़्यादा टाइम था.
पेपर 2
बिकॉज इफ यू देन आप पेपर वन में क्लियर है तो देन और यू कैन गिव बेटर आंसर इन पेपर टू बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द concepts are related.
So tell me frankly that the kind of discussion we were having in classroom on several applied issues.
Yes,
What kind of benefit you derive from that?
The most important thing I got from that discussion is how to analyze a problem or how to analyze a question
From
psychological perspective, because we are studying so many topics in GS And similar topics may come in psychology also,
So
especially in
how,
paper 2.
how not to make it GS?
Yes, because we have a tendency to write in a general studies way.
Everything.
Yes,
Yes.
it's very dangerous in this type of technique.
Okay, so Joseph is telling that for paper 1, he relied upon textbook, he read the same textbook again and again, and he's focusing on that thing. It is not essential to memorize the sentences, understanding is more important. So he is emphasizing that your concept should be clear, theory should be clear, and of course the
And one
research.
thing is that not आपने हम ये पेपर 1 के लिए ना मार्क्स में नोट्स आ रहे हैं, प्रिंटेड नोट्स आ रहे हैं, फोटोकॉपीज आ रहे हैं, उसमें कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे सिर्फ उसमें फोकस कर रहे हैं, वो पूरा करना है.
He's telling that the textbook approach is important and you must have holistic knowledge of the phenomena. किस चीजों का notes वोट्स से कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. He's telling like that. And as far as paper 2 is concerned, because everybody knows it is issues and application. So he's right. I think that when you say that I borrowed the knowledge from paper 1 and I tried to analyze the issues at hand from the psychological perspective, and he made use of all the knowledge that he derived from paper 1. So that was the main premium for Joseph Matthew, and because of that thing that he scored 311 marks in psychology. Hopefully next time we will also do the same. Thank you.